First thing you want to do is, get the spaghettio. So if you just move the Prego, you'll find it right behind it. Because, you always find the Prego in front of the fucking spaghettios. And of course, you always have a preset pan. Because, who doesn't have a preset pan? And then you're just going to want to just fucking open the spaghettios. Because, it's not that very difficult. So just fucking, hold on. Alright, fuck, okay. Alright, after using my brute strength and force, I managed to open this piece of shit, and now it's over. Now I have to put it in, alright? So, first you're just gonna pour it in, so just fucking... Oh yeah, it's fucking gross. Ew. It's like a weird... Of course there's gonna be some in there, so you don't want to get the spoon and, get the rest of it out. Alright, after you get the rest of it out, now what you want to do is, turn on the fucking oven. So, hold on, let me just, there we are. Piece of shit. Has to take a fucking while to turn on. Alright, so afterwards, you want to have to, it's gonna fucking cook. So what you gotta do is you have to fucking, stir the shit, to get all the to get all the fucking heat in. God, I cannot talk today. To get all the heat in, and to, not burn the bitch. I'll fuck, never mind. Alright, move that bitch. Fuck, man, I can't even get a good shot at this. Fucking, it's so fucking... Alright, fucking... This is all it really is, to be honest. SpaghettiOs just take this simplicity. Alright. See, you hear that shit? You heard that shit? That's normal. If you're using a pot like mine. No, not a pot, but a stove. See, if you're using one of those fancy-ass stoves that don't even need flames and just heat up with those little fucking things right here, then, you're just fucking fancy, you're special, alright? So you just, I'm just stalling here because, well, there's fucking, it's gotta take a while to heat up, and then, what's every fucking while, you just gotta wanna stir the bitch. Yeah, that shit. I know my fingers on the fucking thing. I know. Fuck, man. I have shitty camera skills. Good camera quality, but not skills. Fuck it. You want to get all that. Look at that good stuff. Spaghettios and shit. Oh, yeah. That's the good shit. Right there. That's the good shit. Alright, I have no idea what the fuck happened there, but you know what? There we go. That's SpaghettiOs. I turned off the flame because while I was cutting it out, it was cooking, okay? And so now what you're going to do is you're going to get a fucking bowl, alright? So if you go in here, you're going to get one of these greenhouse bowls. You can choose any bowl you like, not too big though, because you don't want to be eating just on the bottom, you fucking waste a big ass bowl. Or you don't want it too small, because you won't have enough to put in the fucking bowl. So this is like an adequate size, Join my Discord server. It's in the description, just so you know, and this is the logo, so fuck you. And now what we want to do is, it doesn't even matter to you. This is plastic, it'll be fucking fine. So what you want to do is you just want to fucking pour the SpaghettiOs in the fucking thing. So let me just fucking do that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Get in there. In there, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's fucking fogging up my camera. Hold on, be right back, fuckers. Fuck, okay. Alright, just like last time with the fucking can, now you have to spoon all the rest of that shit out. So I have to be right back again. I just have to tell you why the fuck's that still there. Alright, after you're done scooping whatever the fuck was left in there into that bitch, you're done. That's all it fucking takes, If that's all it is, you just gotta wash that sink. And that's all you really gotta do, Then you gotta chow down the good shit. I'll give you a review on that too, because, why the fuck not? It's SpaghettiOs. Alright, boys, this is the fucking shit we made called SpaghettiOs. They're actually pretty not that fucking bad, but you know what? That's okay. I got fucking just Kirkland water, fucking Costco water. It's okay in my book. It's 4 out of 10. Fine, 6 out of 10. Piece of shit. Alright, and then now we're gonna fucking try it, because, it tastes pretty fucking epic. Just kidding, that's a lie. I'm not gonna try it. This is not a fucking channel that tries shit. We just cook the shit. Alright? I'll see you fucking later, you twats. Stay boney, Skelly Gang.